The vessel or aircraft owner may be liable under Section 1413, Disappearance of Manifested Goods, if the goods listed in the manifest does not tally materially in character or otherwise with the description in the manifest. The penalty, however, will not be imposed if the discrepancy was not due to the negligence of the owner and such discrepancy is sufficiently explained to the satisfaction of the collector. A. Only the second statement is false. B. Only the first statement is false. C. Both statements are true. D. Both statements are false. Which among the following is or considered customs facilities and warehouses? A. Container yard. B. Seaport and airport warehouses. C. Container freight station. D. All of the above. Who may create or dissolve certain type of warehouses? A. NEDA. B. Collector. C. Secretary of Finance. D. Commissioner. Who may recommend the creation or dissolution of certain types of warehouses? A. NEDA. B. Collector. C. Secretary of Finance. D. Commissioner. Creation or dissolution of certain types of warehouses shall be done in consultation with A. NEDA, B. NEDA and DTI, C. NEDA and Tariff Commission, D. NEDA and Commissioner.